Good evening viewers, Shona here from Shona's kitchen. Friends, today we are preparing choco smoothie. For choco smoothie we need vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, it's already beaten, Hershey's chocolate syrup, few dry fruits as per your choice, and we'll roast these dry fruits in butter, little bit of butter. Friends, you can see the amount of butter. We'll roast it just for 1 minute. Keep stirring. Friends, here we are using butter for the delicious aroma and the glossy look of dry fruits. So you can see they are blushing, they are taking bath in butter. If you want to skip this step, then you can use dry fruit as it is. I have transferred it in another plate, and let's start the beating cream and ice cream together. I'll use hand blender, friends. If you want to use, then you can use mixer, whatever you have. Friends, I have mixed whipped cream, vanilla ice cream and chocolate syrup. Now we'll blend this mixture. Yes, I have beaten this one. You can see the consistency should be like this. Now let's serve this smoothie. Friends, now it's ready to eat, friends. I have added Hershey syrup, our mixture which we blend, roasted dry fruits and few things for just decoration. Please like my videos, share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.